Let my skin and sinews and bones dry up, together with all the flesh and blood of my body. I welcome it. But I will not move from this spot until I have attained the supreme and final wisdom. Nothing has such power to broaden the mind as the ability to investigate systematically and truly all that comes under thy observation in life. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Employ your time in improving yourself by other men's writings, so that you shall gain easily what others have labored hard for. It is better to die than to preserve this life by incurring disgrace. The loss of life causes but a moment's grief, but disgrace brings grief every day of one's life. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Glory crowns the deeds of those who expose themselves to toils and dangers.
Thank you for listening. We update regularly. So do subscribe to our channel and like the video.